Look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel that? Look in my eyes.
Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video is going to be all about this beautiful unit from Hergivenhair. Girl, let's get into it. First of all, I've been wanting to get my hands on Hergivenhair for so long, so I'm very happy that they were kind enough to send me this unit and just to partner with them, and I'm very pleased with how this unit is. I did kind of want to show you guys what you receive in the package, and you just received that booklet that shows you how to maintain the wig and just so much other good stuff in the booklet. Now this is the beautiful unit. The hair texture on this, it is coily, so it's 3C to 4A texture. Now this unit is a 13 by 6 by 1T part wig. Now what makes this unit special is the fact that it has a technique which makes the hairline roots look seamlessly natural with a kinky texture. Now this unit does come in a 14, 16, and 18 inch length. Obviously the texture is coily like I mentioned earlier, and it is 150 density, so you're gonna get that perfect volume when you rock this unit. Now I did want to show you guys inside of the unit. Now if you like a lot of lace, then this unit is not going to give you that, but to be honest, you really don't need a lot of lace with this unit. I loved it just the way it was, only because it gives you less customization. I mean, this is the only customization you're going to be doing on that unit, just to apply a powder or foundation to tint the lace for it to match with your skin tone. Now let's get into the baby hair, okay? The edges, okay? You don't really have to do much with this edges at all. You just leave it just the way it is, and I'm gonna show you guys once I have the unit on my head. I love this kinky hairline, you guys. It just looks so freaking natural. I had to go ahead and just comb it out a little bit and make it a little bit more fuller. Just know when you have this unit on, people will just look at your hair like it's literally your hair, okay? Because them edges is looking too natural. Is insane. It's literally insane, and I really love the texture. The coily texture is everything if you want, just that natural wig. Now it is time to bring that definition back to the curls. So in my bottle, I just have water and conditioner. And because y'all can see it for yourself, the curls look a little bit dry. Not really too dry, but they need to be revived and alive. So that's what my water and conditioner does to the unit. And I'm going to bring the unit up close a little bit so you guys can see how beautiful the curls look and just how defined they are turning out to be, y'all. This unit is literally so perfect. I've heard amazing things about Hergivenhair, but like when you have the unit on you, it's insane. It's even better than what people always talk about. It's amazing. Like, look at them curls. Look at them curls. Them are so pretty. So I did want to show you guys how much hair I got from just brushing it out, and that's not really that much, knowing that it is curly hair. Just know if you ever purchase curly hair, it's gonna shed, but that's not really a lot, and this hair is extremely full. So look at the unit on, y'all, and look at them freaking edges. They look so freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and actually glue this unit down so we can officially rock her. So I did want to cut off a little bit of that lace because my head is not that big, but it is big. Okay, so I had excess lace, and then now I'm gonna grab my Got To Be spray and apply this unit all over that hairline so we can glue this unit down. So this part is very much optional, y'all. So I went ahead and just grabbed my Tresemme mousse and applied this all over the unit. Keep in mind the unit does still have that water and conditioner in it. It's not soaking wet, but it's wet enough for me to still comb it without having much tangling. And then I wanted to just apply my mousse because I always apply mousse on my curly units. Now I am not a curly unit type of girl, okay? So this one is a little bit more of a different unit that I usually grab, but I do love her, y'all. The curls are just so perfect. They're popping and it has a nice bounce to it. I mean, clearly you guys see it for yourself. This unit is really fire. Like really fire. I'm very much impressed. Hergivenhair so far. This is my first unit from them, and hopefully it's not gonna be my last, because yeah, this unit has really been doing something for me. Now I have been rocking this unit off camera a lot because this video is a little bit old, so I will have to say it's big. Okay, the bigger the better. So if you love big hair, this unit is for you. If you don't like big hair, honey, stay away from this unit because it is big, especially when the curls actually dry down. It gets bigger, which I love big hair, but surprisingly I was like, yeah, this one is a little bit too big. But we gotta love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and we're still going to talk about them edges. Y'all see it for yourself. It looks pretty natural, and it looks pretty, you know, crazy because of the lace and me cutting the lace off. So we're gonna fix that by applying foundation on that lace so everything can blend. Ooh, do y'all see that blend? Everything needs to blend so good so it looks like my hair. So I went ahead and just grabbed my concealer brush and I applied that all over the parting space, and this completes today's video, you guys. This is the curls all dried and beautiful. The bigger the better, honey. Okay, go big or go home. Y'all don't forget to check out the description box for this beautiful unit. If I have any discount codes, make sure y'all take advantage of that. I love y'all so much. Napenda sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.